Hello everyone, today I'm going to report this daisy rose. I had two of these about 4 years ago. As you can see how I get a big trunk like that in 4 years. Today I will show you how I make the root get that big and fast like that. Daisy rose is a beautiful tree, especially for the bonsai. They don't need much water. You can water it 1 or 2 times a week during hot summer. The bigger root, the more beautiful daisy rose is, and it's blooming all year round. To get a big root fast, I repot this 3 or 4 times a year for a small tree. But for a bigger tree, I do 1 or 2 times a year. Anytime before repotting, I stop watering for a week or 2. This step is very important. For this daisy rose, every time I repot it, I will lead it up a little bit, about ½ inch. For this small tree like this one, I lift it up about ½ inch. I lift for the bigger one like that. Every time I repot it, I lift it up about 2 inch above the ground. Because they are dangerous, so I mix 2/3 of potting soil and 1/3 of sand. Potting soil is good to keep the moisture, and the sand to help the water drain out quickly. You see, after repotting, the root is about ½ inch above the ground. By doing this way, I will repeat 3 or 4 times a year to get the root grow fast and big. Here is the second tree. I am going to repot it in a different way. I want this tree tall and had a long leg as you see in the picture. I will trim all the small roots around and keep only one biggest main root. It will be lifted up a bit higher, about 1 inch compared to the first one. Because it's too high, so I have a couple sticks to hold and keep it straight. I will repot it 3 times a year also. By doing this method, I will have a tall leg and I will train it to have a big root later after the trunk gets tall. The third one is different. When it was young, I laid it down on the ground and keep the pot laid down also. I want to train the trunk go downward and then go upward. I will use a ribbon to tie it up as what I wanted. You can see the line where I first lit it up for the first time. This is 18 months old, and I have been reported it for 4 times. This steel Adenium is about 4 years old. I reported 3 times for the first 2 years, then 2 times for the third year, and only 1 time early this year. For this beetroot, it needs to be about 2 inches above the ground when I report it. So today I just show you 3 different ways of reporting this row. The beetroot, the long leg, and the falling. I hope you enjoy this video and you have a great day. Thank you. Bye bye.